Check it out. You may notice something is missing. I got a quick release steering wheel set up. So I got the hub, the quick release. This is actually a puck lock, so you can't put anything on there. And that's the stock one, my bad. And here's the actual steering wheel with the quick release. It has a STI horn. Horn is functional. Cruise control is gone, and the kit actually only came with one fuse to delete the airbag. You put it in the connector, but the actual airbag actually has two connections, which I did not know. See, there's two different ones. You have a black one and an orange one. So I need another number 2 fuse and 2 prongs in order to put it in there to stop it. But the only bad thing is I just have an airbag light, but it's no big deal. Alright, so in order to take this off, you put it in, twist, and then from there you twist. You got open and then lock. So twist, pull it out. And then what I like about this Works bell is that there's ball bearings inside. You have 4 on the bottom and I think 6 up top. So there's only one way for it to line up. So for instance, upside down, right? And then you just turn it. There you go. You are fixed. So it's idiot proof. There's no way to mess it up. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Nope. I'm gonna have to kind of get close, but yeah, I added this little flipper deal here, which pushes the button when you pull it back. But I need both hands. So you just, if I can get it on camera a little bit, but you pull. And once you pull, you just lift it off. And then the connections connect to the horn. And that's it. So yeah. Accidentally hit the horn. Wow. And then to do this, make sure it's in an open position. You can twist this different ways. See, it'll work there, it'll work there, it'll work there. It'll fit in there. You'll feel it. So it doesn't really matter, but just make sure it's in open position. Put it on, twist to lock, and then you have to push this in. And then it's locked. That's it. And I'm going to take it off one more time because I do want to show you something. This is really the only downfall besides losing cruise, at least for right now. Because I plan on trying to have somebody rig up a button. But besides losing cruise and airbag, what's crazy is the freaking levers. See, I'm driving right. Well, normally wipers you let go of your steering wheel, which is fine. But my turn signal, see, look. I have to really stretch pretty dang far in order to barely hit it. Because normally I could wrap my thumb around my stock one and just hit it. This, even when you pull it in, it's still pretty far. And high beams, forget about using the turn signal. I can barely touch it. So that's my only real gripe, is that I have to like relearn that. But you know, I chose this, I did it to myself, so I'll live with it. It's not bad. I just kind of gotta roll a little bit and then hit it. But I ain't gonna let go of the steering wheel, that's stupid. But yeah, you have to stretch more, that's all. Or I do. If you have longer fingers, that'd be perfect for you. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I like it. I love it, actually. I already got compliments today. Somebody actually met somebody at a neighborhood Walmart parking lot. They had a Subaru also. So then we kind of showed them the breakdown of my car. Told them about my mechanic shop and to drop by if you wanted. And yeah. Alright, well, if you guys have any questions or comments about it, hit me up. I'll leave all the information on all the products in the description. And just so you know, all of this was like altogether about $1,000. So it's very expensive. But, you know, I try not to be stingy considering it's my steering wheel. So it kind of holds my life in its hands, you know. Alright, we'll catch you guys later.